Hello and welcome to the first episode of From Mess to Success, where old crochet projects get the second chance they deserve. Today we're taking a look at this fanny pack I made a while ago with the help of this tutorial. Full disclaimer, I didn't follow the tutorial exactly, so the result is entirely on me. The original pattern is great, so be sure to give the creator some love. So what are the pain points of this mess? First, this strap attachment. Absolutely diabolical. The sewing is a complete mess and the side closures give the bag a strange shape. Next, the lining. It's way too small for this fanny pack, there's a lot of unused space and it doesn't cover the sides at all. That means you can't actually fit your everyday essentials inside, which completely defeats the purpose of a fanny pack. And finally, there is no zipper. So even if I manage to squeeze my phone inside, I'd constantly be checking whether it's still there or if it has fallen off. So it's time to stop complaining and start crocheting. So the first thing that we will try to work on is to detach all of the parts one from another. You can see this brutal tying together here. We're gonna redo the lining, of course, so we're gonna detach that as well. But in all of this mess of thread, I will need my scissors for sure to try to get it all out. Because yeah, this was messy. I remember making this and I was like, yeah, let me just throw this together and hope that it works. Spoiler alert, it did not work. You can see this originally was tied down to this angle over here. Diabolical, really bad. I got the strap free. I really like the look of it. I think it goes well with the whole fanny pack. I might attach some bag rings to it. I'll see if I like it. Probably will. Otherwise, the cable stitch strap looks nice. And I'm slowly getting the lining out. It's not really complicated because I just took the thread and sewn it through. So it's really easy to untangle that. Up next is fixing up the granny squares. I've made them too big, so I will untangle one row of it and I will stitch them back together after that. I changed my mind. I think that it's not gonna look bad if I just fold and crease the angles right here and then attach it together like this. Then it's not gonna be so I don't know, pointy. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna attach a ring to each of these, kind of like that. Like sew this together and then, or actually attach it like that probably. And attach this over here. So it's gonna look like that. And I also have this very simple plain piece of fabric that I specifically ordered for this bag, or just for linings of the bag. It's off-white, so it's gonna fit with pretty much anything. And I'm gonna measure it and make it bigger. And I also have zippers, but I have no idea how to do it correctly. My zippers are adjustable, so I'll need to cut a portion of it and then put the actual zipper in. Everything is silver, haha. So I'll have to figure that one out somehow. So I proceeded to do exactly that, attaching the ring to already made strap without changing the strap too much. Then with just a regular pencil I made the markings of the bag on the lining, just rough outline, and cut it out. Just trying to fix the zipper together. I have sewn this part because I don't have the end, so hopefully this is gonna keep it in. Then for this I separated it, and now we'll try to put the zipper part on. And then what we'll have to do is to actually get this like that, but I don't know. Ooh, I got it. Good. Yeah, this part stays together. And now I'll have to fix this part as well, just in case, and then I'll have to attach it. I already have somewhat of a lining. I just have to attach the zipper, turn it inside out, and then put it inside the bag and kind of make the stitches, but it shouldn't be the most complicated part. So yeah, let me just put a couple of stitches over here just to be on the safe side. This is how it looks so far. I think it actually turned out pretty good. Maybe a little bit slanted, but that's okay. Now I'll just have to attach it. I think for the strap, I'm just gonna sew it in like this, not like this, because this doesn't make much sense. This is better. I'm so tired of sewing, but it's gonna be, I think, more, or have more sense for me to do it in this way. As I said, at that time I was already so tired of sewing, so I quickly sewed the straps together and the lining to the bag itself, and I was so done. The makeover is complete. Ready for the reveal? Let's do it! I'd call that a success. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching!